value of x centimeter. In this diagram, if you look at it very well, this is a right angle triangle. And to find the value of this place, we're going to be using our Pythagoras theorem. That's why it's important for you to know your math facts. In our Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of this hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the adjacent sides. So let me put that mathematically so that you can understand clearly. Now I have this as x centimeter square equals to 20 centimeter square plus 15 centimeter square. Now to solve this, according to the Pythagoras theorem, 20 times 20 will give me what? 400. Then 15 times 15 will give me 225 centimeter. Now if I solve this further, I should have 400 plus 225 to give you 625. You can work that out. Now, we have it that the x squared is 625. How do we find the x itself? That means to find the square of, to find the x itself, you are going to be taking the square roots of both sides. We are going to be doing the opposite of square, which is the square root. So, we are going to be finding the square root of this, which is x centimeter square, all in the square root, and then your 625 centimeter to in the square root. From here, the square is going to cut out the square root, so we now have the x that we are looking for. Now, let's quickly remember, what is the square root of 625? If you have followed my series in the squares of number, you will know that it only takes 25 times 25 to give us the 625. Now, so that means 25, I'm going to do it so simply. 25 square is what is going to give us. So the square will cut this square root. I don't want to do it as if it's a magic. That is why we always have the square root of 625 to be 25. And then our problem is solved here. Your x equals 25 centimeter. I'm going to drop a question in the comment section. Make sure you do it. And then enjoy solving Pythagoras theorem.